Rebecca Vague is the winner of the Chapter Nursery Management SAE Proficiency. Rebecca works at the high school greenhouse on weekends to water and check plants. She also works for her mom and puts together a large family garden. She enjoys raising pumpkins and trying to market them in the fall time.
Tegan Ninke is the winner of Chapter Small Animal Management Proficiency. Tegan purchased a Pembroke Welsh Corgi and started to raise purebred litters out of her. He works on training and obedience with his dogs and competes at local and state levels. He assists new dog owners in learning how to train their dog. Tegan works with his mom's kennel to sell puppies and gain more experience with whelping, cleaning, photographing, and advertising. Catherine Bruning is the winner of the Chapter Ag Sales SAE. Catherine runs a specialty business where she markets glow sticks and other glow gear. She sells her products at the local drive-in movie theater. She keeps track of inventory, purchases her own products, and does person-to-person sales. In addition, she has started adding to her business by adding service options of lawn mowing and farm work. Noah Goss is the winner of the Chapter Veterinary Science SAE. Noah works part-time at the Ellsworth Animal Hospital. She enjoys helping customers, working with the animals, and learning more about animal science. Noah hopes this experience will prepare her for a possible future career in vet med. Noah Goss is the winner of the Beef Entrepreneurship SAE. Noah has 8 cows. She makes the breeding decisions on which bulls to AI to and when to cull or bring in new genetics to the herd. She fixes fence, provides nutrition, and establishes health protocols. Noah is excited about showing a calf she raised herself at the county fair this year. Noah Goss is the winner of the Chapter Goat Production Proficiency Award. Noah has a herd of 8 does, 3 doelings, 3 wethers, and 1 buck. She feeds, waters, trains, and does health maintenance for her herd. Noah enjoys doing research on her favorite animal to learn more about nutrition and reproduction. The current officers want to congratulate the 2020-2021 officer team and wish them success as they are fully installed as a chapter officer team. Congratulations to President Rachel Sebesta, Vice President Nicole Hazy, Secretary Stormy Thompson, Treasurer Tucker Huseman, Reporter Tegan Ninke, Sentinel Noah Goss, Historian Rebecca Begg, Chaplain Macy Homemeyer, and Parliamentarian Catherine Bruning.
We want to extend a special thank you to all of our 2019-2020 sponsors. We appreciate all your help in being able to host the events that we do and keep our members involved in all ways. Thank you for watching our banquet.